Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how can you fix your YouTube if it's only working on Wi-Fi or you are not be able to use your YouTube on your mobile data. For this, you have to open your YouTube app and there you can see your channel icon on the top. You have to click on it and there you have got the option of settings. On the fourth, you can see the option of video quality preferences. There you can see video quality on mobile networks, video quality on Wi-Fi. If it is check on the or turn on the data saver or your mobile data is auto, so you have to make sure that your mobile data should be on the third option, data saver, just like your Wi-Fi. I hope after this you will be able to use your YouTube on your mobile data. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question please mention in the comments and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.